So people ask me all the time, when are you ready to start a one product store? Should I start with a one product store? Like, what's the answer? The quick and simple answer is no. You want to start with a general store, and when you find a winning product, you want to wait until you have at least like probably 500 plus orders and you've made probably like 30,000 plus from that product consistently, and the ROAS is still very healthy at $30,000. That's when you're ready to go ahead and take that product and turn it into a one product store. So I answered that exact question in a segment from my program. So here's the free segment.
Okay, when would you recommend someone move to a one product store?
I'd recommend someone to move to a one product store once they've been able to probably make $50,000 off that one product, and they see that the ROAS is still very high, and the margins are still very profitable even at the 50K mark. That's when I recommend them to transition to a one product store, and I'd recommend them running both the general store for that product and the one product store concurrently. You don't want to stop the ads you have going for your general store. You want to keep doing what you're doing on that one, because sometimes Facebook is funny. When you go ahead and advertise that product on a new one product store, sometimes it just doesn't work for some reason. So that's why, or it doesn't work as well. So you definitely want to test both, and sometimes it works drastically better. But you don't want to just shift your whole focus into what works better. Advertise on both, because now you have twice. You could literally double your daily revenue by doing this. Like, you could do 10K on one store, 10K on another, and that's 20K days. As you can see, lots of value, straight to the point. I don't want to waste any more of your time. That's the answer. If you ever wonder, just go ahead and watch this video. Before I end this video, let's start by announcing last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting calls with me. The winners here. If you guys want to qualify, all you have to do is drop a comment below, follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. Other than that, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Question of the day: have you ever built a one product store? Let me know your answers. I know that's sort of the hype at the moment, so let me know if you've built a one product store in the past. And yeah, hope you guys have an amazing day. Peace.